Thank you. Good morning. Thank you for coming. I started this work on this method called Think Short in the mid-90s. And I started this work because a new need emerged in markets and for marketers and managers. You know, traditional and conventional marketing and branding is all about thinking long-term. This is why I call it Think Long, marketing and branding. We were all taught that we should plan for the long term, build our companies and our brands for the long term. And of course, the long-term perspective is very important. However, the situation in markets changed. Markets became more changeable, and competition became global, and marketers are faced with surprises that come from all over the world and the virtual world as well. And they need to respond and to take initiative in the short term. Because if you fail in the short term, the long term may never come. So marketers needed a new set of tools and rules how to succeed in the short term. And this is what we achieved in developing this method. Would you like to? Okay, so the Think Short method provides marketers with very practical tools how to innovate and how to make innovation successful. And the main specialty of this method is creating fast consumer enthusiasm about new products and new brands. About 2 years ago, we started establishing a global network of consulting companies that specialize in applying this Think Short method. And I'm glad to say that Serbia is going to be the 15th country on this network. And I'm really thrilled about this cooperation and partnership with Profile Agency, which is professional in global standards. And I'm looking forward to working with Profile. Our mission here in Serbia is very important right now, at this point in time, because the world is coming out of the economic crisis, and within the next 2 years, the new situations in the markets are going to be established. So this is a window of opportunity. It's a window of opportunity to create strong Serbian brands and Serbian innovations that will be able to succeed in other countries and throughout the world, and to help the economy of this country move forward. This is what we intend to do together. Well, of course, this is the million-dollar question. How our market is going to develop. But I think that the question we should really be asking is not trying to predict what is going to happen, but actually to make it happen. So I think that the opportunity here, because, you know, the crisis, so to speak, mixed all the cards. Strong companies became weaker, weak companies became stronger, strong nations became weaker, weak nations became stronger. So we have we have this rare opportunity to shape the future, not to predict it. And I think that this is our way of looking at things. And if we look at things this way, we should apply all the best knowledge that exists today in the world to create Serbian brands that will be able to play a major role in future markets. And this is really what it's all about.